Hello, dear students. Myself, Dr. Humaira. I am from JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. My topic is phylum Arthropoda. Today, we will study about the Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the phylum of invertebrate animals. It represents the animals which have segmented body with chitinous exoskeleton and jointed appendages such as crustaceans, centipedes, millipedes, insects, scorpion, spider, etc. The arthropod animals have great adaptive diversity. They enable to survive in every habitat. Perhaps the most successful of all of terrestrial environment. There are near about 1 million species of arthropods are already described. Among them, 80% of all known animals of class Insecta alone, other than 77 to 80% of class animal kingdom put together in the case of class Insecta. That means most of the arthropod animals studied in the it's a class Insecta animal alone. These vertebrates adapted themselves to live on dry lands. They are only the invertebrates capable of flight. Due to these adaptive radiations, they have adapted to every ecological niche. Students, arthropods are small in size. Small creatures measures about 1 millimeter long amongst crustaceans, insects and mites. The Japanese crab measures about 3 to 4 meters in its overall dimension. Their exoskeleton is thick, tough, and cartilaginous. The life cycle of arthropods involves metamorphosis. Coelom is replaced by hemocoel, that means sinuses are or spaces are present which are filled with the tissue fluids or blood. Their respiratory organs are present in the form of gills and the trachea. Now, the salient features of the phylum Arthropoda is nothing but the animals are triploblastic, that means body wall consists of three layers: ectoderm, is endoderm and mesoderm. Animal is bilaterally symmetrical, that means if we cut the animal in the middle portion from top to bottom, both parts of the body it consists of equal portions. Such type of symmetry is known as bilateral symmetry, which is commonly seen in the phylum Arthropoda. The body is metamerically segmented, that means each segment has same structure. The animals are diversified in its habitat, living in land, water, and air also. Body is covered by thick cuticle, which is called exoskeleton. Body segments usually bears paired lateral and jointed appendages. Musculature is not continuous but consists of separate muscles. Digestive system is complete. Mouth and anus are situated at opposite ends of the body. In the arthropod animals, circulatory system is of open type without capillaries. Respiration takes place either by body surface or gills or trachea or book lungs. Nephridia is absent. Besides these, the excretion is performed by the help of Malpighian tubules, also called green or coxal glands. Sexes are separate with a distinct sexual dimorphism. Fertilization is external and development takes place indirect through larval stage. Parental care is also well marked in many forms. So, these are salient features of the phylum Arthropoda. Now, the arthropoda animal is classified into classes Crustacea, Chilopoda, Diplopoda, Insecta, and Arachnida. So, in such a way, five classes of the Annelida is included in our study. First of all, we will study about the class Crustacea. The crustacea is made by the Latin word crusta is nothing but the hard shell. The animals which is present in the crustacea consist of hard shell. They are aquatic, marine, few are freshwater, and few animals live in the moist places. Generally, they are free living, but some are parasitic. Cephalothorax in the head and thoracic region fused to form single piece known as cephalothorax, which is covered dorsally by the shield like hard structure which is called carapace. So, cephalothorax covered dorsally by the help of carapace. Head bears a pair of compound eyes and five pairs of appendages. Thorax and abdomen have a pair of biramous appendages in each segment. Respiration is by gill or body surface. Coelom is reduced. Blood vascular system is consist of contractile heart communicating with an opening called ostia. Excretory organs are modified into antennary glands. Sexes are separate. Sexual dimorphism is common. And development includes metamorphosis with the free living larval stage. The examples of the class Crustacea is nothing but the prawn and crab. So here the prawn or crab is the animals which included into the class Crustacea. Now the next class is nothing but the Chilopoda. The Chilopoda animals consist of the animals which are mostly terrestrial, air breathing arthropods. The arthropod animals nothing but the which having jointed legs. Their body is elongated, consisting of distinct head. Head connect with a trunk made of large number of similar segments. The head bears a pair of many jointed antennae, one or two pairs of maxilla. Eyes are present. Compound eyes is not found in the case of the Chilopoda animal. The trunk segments carries one or two pair of jointed legs which are always more than 11 pairs. Digestive system or digestive tract in such animals are simple, straight, and receives a pair of salivary glands. The respiration performed by the help of trachea with segmental spiracles. Heart is dorsal, tubular, consists of pair of lateral ostia in every segment. One or two pair of Malpighian tubules are present, helpful for the excretion. Ventral narrow cord is present, which is ganglionated in most of the segments. That means, in most of the segments, ventral narrow cord connects with the ganglion. In the animals of Chilopoda, sexes are separate. Gonad is single, but gonoducts are paired. The example is nothing but the centipede. Now, the third class of arthropoda is nothing but the diplopoda. The diplopoda animal itself is nothing but the millipedes or having thousands of legs. Their body is cylindrical, elongated, and capable of rolled up. Body divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. Head consists of 5 segments. In the thorax, 4 segments are present, and abdomen having 20 to 100 segments. Head bears one pair of antenna, one pair of mandible, and one pair of maxillae. Mandible and maxillae are nothing but the mouth parts helpful for crushing and searching of the food material. Thoracic segments with one pair of legs in each segment, while in the abdominal region, the segment bear two pair of legs. Poison claws are not found in the legs. The animals are herbivorous in food, that means they eat plants. Among them, gonopore is situated on the third abdominal segment. The example of diplopoda animal is nothing but the Julas. It is also known as millipedes. Now, the fourth class of arthropoda is nothing but the insecta. The insecta animals are air breathing, terrestrial, aquatic. Their body is divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. Head consists of 6 segments and bear a compound eyes, a pair of compound eyes, a pair of antenna, and mouth parts helpful for chewing, biting, piercing, sucking, siphoning, or sponging phenomenon. In the case of the insect animal, the thorax consists of 3 segments. Each segment bears a pair of legs and 2 pair of wings. Abdomen consists of 7 to 11 segments without any appendages. Liver is absent but salivary gland is present. Heart is tubular, elongated, and divided into 8 chambers situated in the abdomen. That means each segment of the body consists of the heart chamber. Respiration takes place in case of the insect animal by the help of trachea. The excretory organ is present in the form of the yellowish colored Malpighian tubules. In the case of insect animals, sexes are separate. Development is direct, mostly more usually complicated by metamorphosis. The example of the class Insecta animal is nothing but the Periplaneta americana, which is commonly known as cockroach. And next example is Anopheles stephensil, which is nothing but the mosquito. These two organisms are very common to us. The next class of the arthropod animal is fifth one, Arachnida. It is a Greek word which is made by the arachne means is spider and oid means light. So the animals which are included into the class Arachnida, mostly they are terrestrial or free aquatic animal. Their bodies consist of prosoma and mesosoma. Anterior part of the body is head region. Below it, thorax is fused to form prosoma, and prosoma bears six pairs of appendages, one pair of chelicerae, one pair of pedipalp, and four pair of walking legs. Their abdomen is without appendages. Only single sac-like structure is present. In case of arachnida, the respiratory organs are present either trachea, book lungs, or book gills. The excretory organs are either malpighian tubules or coxal glands, or both organs are present in the class Arachnida. In the case of the arachnid animal, sexes are separate and sexual dimorphism is not clear, but development is mostly direct. The example of arachnid animal is nothing but the spider and scorpion. So these are about the five classes of the phylum Arthropoda. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much and give big response to us.